Sully. Oh. Hey. I'll give you I'll get this one. Ow! Ow! Sullivan Lark. Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Sip. Sip. God, Mom, is this not so much easier with
What
a straw?
a blessing that you've learned to use a straw like a big girl. Oh, yay!
Yay, my daddy! Sip.
That's exciting about a new tooth, baby.
Mama,